next day, we're back. I've put about a gallon of water in it, maybe a little bit more. And I'd say about a gallon. And so we're gonna go through the instructions. This is just Prestone flush and cleaner. It's cheap stuff. It's not any of that fancy stuff. It looks decently clean, except for, you know, the radiator looks a little dirty, and I don't know that any cleaner would really clean the radiator that great, so without pulling it out, but it's not too bad. So drain radiator, pour the contents in, fill with water. For systems larger than 12 quarts, that's 3 gallons, use 2 bottles. I think we're close to that, but I don't think we're over 3 gallons. So they've got some quick steps on this, or, you know, like it's supposed to be like a 10-minute flush, but for heavy duty cleaning, you leave it in there like 4 to 6 hours of driving. And so that's what we're gonna do. Instead of doing like running at 10 minutes and all that, I think we're gonna do the heavy duty one. So we're gonna go ahead and pour this stuff in. There's no grit or anything to it. It's pretty much just like a soap detergent or something. I guess we could maybe try the quick one. The quick one would be run engine with heater on high for 10 minutes after reaching operating temperature. Once cool, drain and refill with water, run 10 minutes with heater on high. So, I don't know, we might try the quick one. That way I could get it done and buttoned back together. Like I said, it's not terrible. It's pretty nasty, but it's not terrible. But if we do the quick one, that would allow us to like I said, finish it up today. So we're gonna go crank it up. Let's see, do we have everything done? We've tightened up radiator hoses, thermostat housing, all that's hooked up. All of our vacuum lines are hooked back up. Let's see. I think we are good. Throw a little bit more back in it. Once the thermostat opens, it'll probably take some more. This thermostat does not have that little air bleed hole in it, so there's probably an air pocket in the engine. Let's go crank it up. It hasn't been started in, I don't know, a week, maybe 2 weeks. Should start up, but let's see. It'll probably be a long crank because quarter jet leaks down. drain it, and we'll fill it again, run it, drain it, and then we'll fill it up with coolant, with antifreeze and water. So it's been about an hour of various RPMs. Figured I'd do that, kind of an in-between the quick cleaning and the heavy cleaning. Kind of do a 1 hour cleaning and let this thing kind of clean up. So we're gonna go ahead and cut it off, and we will let it sit and cool down for a while, and then we're gonna drain this out and we'll see what it looks like. Then of course we got to fill it back up with clean water, and then we will flush it, or then we'll run that for like 10 minutes, let it kind of flush out, and then we'll dump that and put a mixture of 50-50 coolant. I'm gonna go ahead and put new antifreeze in it. So put some brand new antifreeze in it, and distilled water. I don't think I have any distilled water. I've got reverse osmosis. My filter in the house is reverse osmosis, so we'll use that. I don't have any bottled distilled water, but it should be good. Cooled off, we got it draining. I mean, to me it looks pretty much the same, but really can't tell the difference. But at least we've got it flushed. It may not have done a lot of cleaning, but we've flushed out anything that was loose, any loose gunkiness. So we're gonna let that drain, and then we'll fill it back up with water, run it through again, let it heat up, let it cool down, drain it, and then we'll be ready to put some fresh coolant in it. Drain the flush water out and filled it back up with distilled water, a 50-50 mix of distilled water and antifreeze, so we should be good. So hopefully this takes care of the cooling issues on the C10. So thanks for watching. Leave a comment down below, hit the like button, and subscribe for more.